All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan, and we live, baby. It is Friday, June 20th, fresh off a day off, Juneteenth, and all that good stuff. And we're back momentarily for we got to take another 2 days off, but you know, it's all good. Yo, what up, Pharaoh? Yes, sir. Hit that like button for me on your way in, guys. Por favor. Yeah, I'm good, man. I'm good. I am the watch list, the gap scanner is pretty lame this morning though. So I'm honestly not really expecting a trade. Three Pony. Good morning. Uh yeah, I mean, none of these are like my A plus daily setups. None of them. Um but I'd say they all have potential, but just not like where I'm rubbing my hands together type of potential, you know. They all have kind of a asterisk next to it. I think I might need to just take this one all the way off. Yeah, I don't know, man. Big top tails. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take AIFF off. I don't know. And then this is a reverse split, but it's hella downtrending on the daily. Like, at least if it gapped up over this high, I could give it that. But yeah, I don't know. Still not really like 100% on these reverse split plays and how I'm supposed to interpret the past price action because of the reverse split. Um, I would just still assume everyone trading it is still marking the highs because like they're still on the chart, you know, and it don't look super great at all. None of it looks great. I think this could be really good over 10. I went inside this day and like most of the volume was below 10. And like over pre-market high, this thing could be fantabulous. But I don't like trading after a green day. It is a small green day, and we are breaking over, you know, two highs. And if we can get over that high, of course, the squeeze could be miraculous, but also be a great spot to re-short too, so we could just get slapped. I don't know. Yeah. So this is a we'll see, man. I've really brought my expectations for the day super low. Like I'm really expecting nothing. But if something happens, I will be here. So we shall see. We shall see. There's the bell. Speaker. All right. I was about to say I feel like something's missing. Something's missing here. What up, Trey? Trendline Trey in the building. Yep, SRM popping right out the gate. WHLR, nice little pop off the open. Even AIFF trying to do a little something. Forgot about you over here. What up, Leon? Yeah, I didn't even draw a trend line for WHLR. I see it though. All eyes on NQ. Yeah, buddy. Okay, I really wanted to see SRM over 10. That's kind of like my level. Microdime, what's going on, man? That's really like, because looking at this green day from the 16th, most of the volume was under 10. So kind of like if we can stay over 10, the squeeze could be miraculous. Yeah, man. Oh yeah, on NQ, that's what's up. That's what's up. Is war like traditionally good in the market? Like this, I guess it just depends, huh? Not like the world wars, but like, when we start these conflicts, does the stock market usually go up or down? Certain sectors. Does that make sense? Yeah, okay, Dirk. I feel better about watching it, man, because I really wasn't gonna even watch it, but I think if we can get over that high, it could be pretty awesome. So good to know you on it too, Dirk. Um, Man, WHLR with a really strong open. Like it. AIFF looking WAF. I don't know. It's kind of holding up actually. Yeah, not on it already. I mean, like paying attention to it. It's on your radar. JFBR looking pretty solid. That looks nice. Now this is a 5 minute opening range breakout play right there. Ooh wee. Maybe I don't know. I'm not taking it. Gurr back in action. Er, er, er. Whoa, where was this on the scanners? Not 10 million float. What's going on here? It's got a lot of density back here though. Looking pretty dense. Pretty dense. But I mean, you got like $4 to that next high anyway. Nice find there, Micro Don. Just give her some time. Give her some time to come on back. Man, WHLR is like going off that trend line, man. Going off of it. GPUS. Come on, Yahoo. Too rich for my flag. uh, well, you should have said something to me because you know I like them. Oh, they got a catalyst. Oh, mix. Oh, it's an earnings play, but they missed expectations. Buy it anyway, huh? Revenue up 100%, 109%. Net loss narrowed by 60%. Loss per share improved from. Okay, so they lost less, a lot less. Okay, it's improvement. Ooh, JFBR, wet the bed, as I would expect. And AIFF, garbage. Lucy. I just don't like the daily on Lucy at all. But you said over what? I know, man. Look at the volume. Insane. Love it. Love it. Dang, bro, this is such a nasty candle. Like, how do you even trade it after that? It sucks. I'm telling you. Start playing that joint right out the open. Wow, wow. You just got to be willing to get ripped, face ripped off from time to time playing out the open. That looks nice. Super wide range, but I like what's happening. Man, if you could have picked SRM up at 9. Gers rolling, little pullback. Hey, what up, Knives? Short squeeze solstice. Oh, this is a good entry right here. Right through the high. Boop. Yep, so shoulda. Paper hands. You bought, oh, you got it in 9, Leon? Dang, man. Dude. Yeah, I seen it. Is it gonna halt? So what makes it, why is it not halting now? Because no one has bought, there's just still so many shares at 1050 or 1005. Man, what an entry, bro. What an entry. Nice. Now that's the sniper entry right there, bro. Let me see what you saw on the one. Uh, what a slick entry down here, boy. EMA reset, higher high, higher low. That mug is clean. Yo, what up, the bagger? Appreciate it. OG in the hall. Nice, man. Yeah, definitely clear level from pre-market. Super clear. I even have my line right there. uh, SRM going too, man. Same play, right off the line. uh, yeah, that was nice. Very solid. Hey guys, don't forget to hit the like button for me on your way in, please. Subscribe if you haven't. We doing this every market open. Chilling, trying to get to the bag. Man, I'm feeling real left out right now on both of these joints. But I know I'm in the right spot. So that's cool. Nobody trading Lucy. Mm-mm. Hmm. Just kind of expecting it to get slapped, bro. I'm expecting the slap. Expecting the slap. Yeah, for sure, bagger. Sure. Man, I like that we broke this high on SRM. A higher low around 10 bucks would be very tempting. Very tempting. We'll see what happens. Minute left, minute and a half left on the Wheeler halt. Girl holding up nicely. It's made a really big move though. Like this could be the whole move of the day. 22 to 27 or 26 76. Yeah, that could literally be the whole move. Could literally be the whole move. What a swing though from yesterday. That would have been a nice swing. Yeah. Yeah, she's way up there. Man, look at the breakout though, man. It's gonna happen. I'm not gonna be there. Yeah, I don't care. I'm good with the price. I just need the setup. That joke was way up there, man. You know I ain't buying it way up there. Then SRM just like ran off on the plug. Hey man, come on, bruh. Uh, I know, man. I think Brown Dog. I think it's gonna go to like 15, bro. Yeah, if somebody bring it back down though. Come on back down to 10. I know. That's ain't nothing else to look at. Oh, WHLR open. Yeah. Uh, man. SRM gone, man. Gone. Still in it. That's what's up. I really like this entry right here, man. I be wanting to salve out and take that mug, bro. Did the same thing on Wheeler, but I wouldn't want to do it on the second green if it didn't set up nice there. Not really that great. JFBR, what's happening here? Got the little EMA reset. Last high right there. Okay. This guy might be finito. I mean, it was pretty much the worst daily ever. Go ahead and knock that off the list. Let's put there. All right. And then there were four. Yeah, I just need an entry, bro. I need an entry. I'm gonna be patient. It gotta come back down for a minute, and then we'll take the second break. Just come on down though. You probably won't. What's this high? 1083. It's a wrap. Fast up, fast down. Indeed. Indeed. Come on down. Hey, that's what's up. That's how it is, man. That's how it is. Ooh, what did I just do? Oh, wow. I don't like this volume candle right here, though, at all, Microdine. That's pretty nasty. Yeah, that's the only thing about it. Other than that, I do like this setup on the 5, but I can't mess with it after that. Yeah, and the daily's trash too. Daily's hot. Hot. The garbage. Man. bounce them up. That hit, that hit. Bruh, SRM, all gas, no brakes, man. All gas, no brakes. You buy it now. Well, yeah, I mean, I know it was a great setup. That's why I'm watching it, but I'm waiting for my entry setup, though. And it's just, this wasn't it. I mean, it looks great, but it's just not a part of my playbook. Man, I really like it, though. I like this dynamic right here. Man, SRM is like, hey, if you ain't made it in here yet, you don't want it. Dang, man. The FOMO. It's not even a fear of missing out. I have missed out. She gone. I really thinking about trying this right here. Romo. Regret of missing out. Reality. It's gone. Now, right now, I'm waiting for an EMA reset. Although, man, I could consider this one, but I would consider this the EMA reset and this the higher high, higher low, second higher high, second higher low. So we really could get a third one to like 11, and I wouldn't be surprised. Actually, the one is looking even better. I wonder if that makes a higher low and holds 9. If we could take the break over that candle and make a run for it. You better run for it, run for it, run. Paper chasing. You got your block on fire. You know what it is. Making up, not a son. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Slow your roll. What up, Paul? Yeah, I'm just kind of comparing it's like it's doing the reset on the one, and if it breaks that high, bro. Nah, it's not a I'm still using the high on the 5. I'm just looking at the price action on the 1 to validate my idea on the 5. But it looked like it's about to break down anyway. Everyone went to Lucy. Wow. What a 5-minute trade, Microdon. All of us naysayers, that joker went. Dang. Nice call, man. That was a really nice 5-minute setup. But when you got reasons not to take it, you gotta not take it. All right, Dirk, I will. Okay. WHLR back down to the EMA. SRM just holding up there. It's hanging out. Lucy about to run off on the plug. Now it looks like a squeeze up here now. Now I'm feeling like we can go on and push up through there. But it's kind of over now. I had this line in the sand, but I guess I just didn't feel good enough about it. But looking at the volume on this day, that was a pretty good line. Yeah, for sure. For sure. Don't even matter now. Did you take it, Microdon? This another, man. I'm really liking this little. Oh my God. Oh my God. I should have minded my line, bro. Good Lord. Nice work, man. Nice work. Yeah, that's great. Cooking, bro. Yeah, the squeeze to 550 is imminent. Hey, JFBR is kind of well, I mean it's still got some work to do, but it's starting to look like some life over here. Got the EMA reset. Last high is very low, which is cool. And if we get a higher high, higher low, we'll be out of the trend line and over the last high. That'll be pretty cool. Yeah, I mean it didn't look it had a lot of flags on it, bro. But it being over this day was a big deal. I think I should have given that a little more weight because this is 38 million shares and this is only 15. So look at girl over here, man. That looks pretty sweet. I think JFBR is gonna be possibly the volume is like not there though. It's coming in a little bit. 18K on that last candle. Lacking, bro. Majorly. Until it ain't though. Look at the 15, man. 15 actually looks really good. Might get some volume on some action. Hit a couple scans or something. Now this right here though. Not even 50K volume. I know it's bad. Dang, bruh. Just give me a sign. This looks like it should go, bro. uh, FOMO, 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 FOMO. uh, Daily was trash though. I mean, trash dailies go all the time, you know, but we're just trying to put the odds as much in our favor as possible. And I don't want to get, if I get stopped out on something that has a bad daily, I'm just like, why did you trade it? You know? So that's all. Shoot, Microdom be telling me all kind of stuff that, you know, the intraday setup looks cool, but it's just got a whole bunch of reasons why I wouldn't trade it. And then I come back and look at it again and it's up, you know, 20, 30%. And, you know, it just ain't for me. My edge is not there. So when our edges line up and we get to trade the same things, that's awesome. But I gotta trade my edge. Yeah, indeed. Well, I hope it keeps going down. It's 8. Come on down. Mm-hmm. Man, I want to take SRM right here. Can't even do it. Oh, the one looks good too. Why is it decreasing volume though? Yeah, it seems like the buyers would be pushing it up faster and faster. I want to take it. I can't do it. Can't do it. Oh yeah. Does it even have a catalyst today? Yeah, maybe knives. Maybe. But it's not enough FOMO to make me do something stupid. So that's cool. Yeah. Yeah. Oh boy, do I like this one though. I like it because it looks like it's going up, but it is not my setup. That's what it is. No news, tons of dilution. There she goes. There she goes. 'Laughs in rich people. 761 got the break of the high there. Got slapped. Well, it's interesting. It did not just go. Oh, here it goes. Maybe. Yep. Italian and Irish. Boom, boom, boom. This thing looks disgusting. Disgusting. Like, what is this? SRM, the trade I was scared to take. Line in the sand and everything. It's all good. It was just way up there. First pullback, though, honestly. So this got the shelf registration, so that means this is trash, right? So yeah, there's nothing. There's nothing. Yeah, I can, but I don't. I don't. I religiously don't short sell. Man, JFBR's disappointment. I never thought anything of it anyway, but uh, now you guys got me scared of this thing. Which I mean, I never really liked it in the first place. Uh-huh. That's why I didn't mess with you up there. Dang, bro. SRM, man. I should have just took it on GP, man. Could have took it on GP over that line, man. Support and resistance. Just GP. What's beef? It is hella choppy though. Red, green, red, green, red, green. SRM sure is not choppy. Lucy wasn't really choppy either. uh, dang, bro. Major support level to ignore, but it's extended from the EMA. Just hit market order. uh, it was only so simple. Yeah. Yeah, you're talking about SRM for sure. See if we get that higher high above 891. Maybe it'll crack 9. Get a higher low entry after that. It can happen. Man, should have took it right here, Trey. Right here, man. I see this all the time. The big red candle, and then it just rests on low volume, and then it goes the other way. I might have to write this one down, bro. And this entry too, man. Nah, we ain't got time to be adding stuff to the playbook right now, but that's just the FOMO talking. But still, man. Yeah, I just like, oh, you talking about right there? Yeah. I've been asked out. Oh man. Yeah. Nah, I can't though. It's just because I don't. It just sucks to sit to do your diligence in the morning and put the stocks on your watch list and then sit there and watch it freaking run, and you don't find a way into it, you know? Just like, because your playbook is one setup, you know? Which, I mean, that's all you need. You just end up in FOMO in these type of situations, though, you know? So I just got to chill out. It's all good. I expected nothing from today. Yeah, for sure. It sucks. But I expected nothing from today. So it's all good. Wheeler might set up. If it does, we'll take it. I think it is setting up. It's starting to set up. 15's looking cool. And if it goes, we'll do something. If not, we'll have another no trade day, which is honestly really cool. A no trade day is like, to have two in 1 week. It just like shows that I am not trading it if it's not my setup, you know. And I've been waiting to get there for years. For years, man. I remember I had this moment in 2022 where I was profitable like at least a month. I got a screenshot of 1 month, but I felt like it might have been a little longer because I had people reach out to me and they wanted to do a show with me, like a little trading group type thing. And bro, I hit that pothole, that same pothole that I hit at the end of last month, and I couldn't find my way back for nothing, bro. And it was just like, I remember walking around the park in the morning, this park by my house, and just like talking to myself, like, bro, if you could just follow your rules, everything you want to happen can happen. Just couldn't do it, man. Just couldn't do it. What's up, HMZ? WMW. Man, they said I can't even look at that. They said I can't even see that one. Okay. 15 is activated. We got the higher high over my line. Will it hold and give us an entry? That is the question. Will it hold and give us an entry? Really haven't had any like nice narrow range candles yet on the red side. I've been a little too aggressive over there. But I think it's setting up. I think it's setting up. Stuff like that. So. Ooh. Dang, I ain't want it that low. That's WNW. Okay. I was like, yeah, that ain't even. Oh, yeah, she done got some volume, huh? Ooh. Yeah, see this guy right here? No match. Yeah, the range is atrocious. Man. Yeah, this spike made it real nasty. That entry right there will be cold-blooded, though. think I want to take it. Got the trend line break. A little hammer candle right there. The one's looking good, especially over 891. Don't do it. She about to go, man. She about to go. Ah, I want to take the break so bad. Nasty entry though. I need a red candle. All right, so we got the EMA reset. We got the higher high. Still waiting for the higher low and red candle. We shall be patient. I will not go into the weekend on a bad trade. It will not happen today, folks. God willing. That entry down there though, like 850 though, that would have been some Leon stuff. Nah, Leon would have been down at like 803. Thanks, Knives. She's looking good though. Volume's picked up. Just need a few more things. Just need a couple more things. Man, it looks great though. Just need a little better entry, man. Yeah, for sure, Dirk. You know how much trouble I be getting in, man. Bruh, like 3 months ago, I would have had like 7 trades up right now. Assuming some of them were green. If not, I would have been maxed out already. Okay, 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 okay. Oh, it's some stuff up there, boy. There's some stuff up there. Man, if it could just close up there. Sellers and dilution, that's what's up there. Yeah, these 3 candles right here, like just like massive, just like selling. Oh, wow. Sure did. Oh, yeah. Lucy looks like it wants to go again. I actually think it would be worth taking over this over pre-market high. Yeah. A higher low over pre-market high I think would be pretty saucy. Ooh, can it hold up this low? What is that? 26. Nope. Nope. Charlie Brown. Yeah, she's looking mighty good. 1026. Bro, where's the narrow range entry, bro? on Lucy. Yeah, I think Lucy looks very interesting. Mm-hmm. Below 7? Dang. I'm definitely not messing with it to go that low. Lucy trying to crack pre-market high over here. Goes Lucy. Nice. 423. Okay. Took it over pre-market. Okay. I want to see if it'll hold up and give me a nice little red entry candle. I'd love to join you. Well, that looks pretty good. It looked good to the upside. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I'm just looking for 81. Like it's gonna slip though, straight to 9. Ain't got no orders in there.
Order filled.
We in there. He said, "Don't do it, y'all." We gotta trade, Paul. We gotta trade. Uh-oh. Uncle Paul was right. I'm about to see. See whose goggles is working. It's super sketchy, but if it goes now, it looks so sketchy. Lucy over here looking kind of good too. Yeah, they are. If we could squeeze them jokers out though. 890. What I get? 884. That's cool. I might have to holler at Lucy too. Come on, buyers. Nice. Oh, you and Lucy? I mean, you talking about on Lucy Brown Dog? That's what's up. Okay. There goes Gurr. Oh, snaps. Oh, snaps. Come on, baby. Don't slam. Come on. We break 9. Come on. Come on. There's 890. Come on, baby. It's violent, man. It's violent. Which could definitely work in our favor. I really like the 15. We got to get back over that high, though. We got to get back over 911. Come on, man. Hoping and holding. Hey, I'm trading the setup, baby. That's all I can do. That's all I can do. Hey, I'm still holding the hoping, but you know, I got the setup behind me, making me feel good about my decision in the moment. Anyway, we still above the EMA on the one. 5, 15, 15 looking saucy. You got the higher high, higher low. See if we can get another higher high on WHLR, man, and I think we'll be good. Okay, I see the bear flag. Come on, man, give it up. Give it up, shorties. The jig is up, man. The jig is up. You better move out the way now. It's up. It's up. Come on. Hall level 958. That's hella too low. I need 10. Got like a down 60-cent stop. Man, market spy is still dropping. The suspense, bro. I'm telling you, man. Yeah. What's it gonna be, man? That's a big crack to come all the way back down to my stop. It ain't that much volume coming from the sell candles. Damn. I ain't doing that, Lucy. It ain't my setup. Man, I want to take Lucy. I think Lucy's legit right now.
Order filled.
I should have let it hold pre-market high. The volume profile is really good. Yeah, I'm just playing it off of that it started uptrending again after cracking pre-market.
Might get the double whammy today. What a fight, man. I was not trying to be here for all that. Yeah, if it cracks 30, it's finished. Yeah, I wasn't expecting this rejection of the pre-market. I really wanted it to hold above the pre-market high, and I should have stood on that. But I think my stop's in a good spot. It's up there though. It's definitely up there. I will fault myself if I stop out for sure. Yeah, I think it's going down. The 15 didn't hold up, man. Got two green candles and we still ain't make a move. What's this? 25. Don't matter. Just leave it where it was. It is what it is. I sure hope you're right, Trey.
Order filled.
Damn, there goes WHLR. Come on, man. Break that 430. 409. Yeah. If it break 410 though, it's probably finito. Stop is in a great spot though. But definitely not the type of backside move I want to take. Yeah, see, I'm gonna be mad at myself just for trading this because of the daily, for real. It's just like no need to even look at it. Yeah. Yeah, she about to come down and reset the EMA, man. And then throw a setup like 10 minutes later. Not really much volume though. Yeah, I think so. I almost made it out. I could tell it wasn't gonna be nothing popping today too. I should have just played Call of Duty. Especially since they pretty much ran already. We got some buyers at 4. Want to see pre-market high? Not really. Not really. Yeah, I didn't. The higher low didn't hold on either one of these setups that I was looking at. Because for this one, I would have needed the higher low to hold pre-market high. I want to buy on the bottom side of resistance. I want to buy on the top side of resistance. And then same thing with this one. This was my line in the sand. I really wanted it. I wanted it to break above and then hold that line, not trade back below it. So yeah, some things to tighten up on for sure. Maybe. I do like that it's way under 4, but hey man, gotta trade your setup. Yeah, 389. I like that doji on volume, but we definitely can't break below that one. There you go. Yeah, this is crap. I tripped. Well, I mean, if it says in your rules that you're not supposed to do it if it's super extended, then don't. But nah, he talking about the NQ, ain't it? I hope so, man. All right, let me lean up. Let me lean up. Let me get ready here. And we got like 40 cent risk on here though. So definitely need like $5 just for 2R. Is that what's happening? Nah, what's up, Victor? I've actually just completely taken away with adding to my positions. Um So, you know, I just get in where I feel like I should get in and I put my stop where I believe support is, and then I wait. And if it goes to profit, I take profit. If it stops me out, it stops me out. Just keeping it real simple, just for me, you know, just to keep it simple. I was doing adding, and man, it really amplifies the winners, but it also kicks you out of some trades, you know, if you try to manage your risk. And it's another complication that I'm just don't need right now while I'm struggling for consistency, you know. Yeah, it'd be like that sometimes. I feel like something's gonna happen. This actually could be a really cold 15-minute pullback. Like these two candles right here, that volume profile. This could be it. Could definitely be the low right there. Just need them buyers to step up. That's all we need is the buyers. It's not looking great. Come on, man. Yeah. Well, I just felt like I had to take the stupid trade, and here I am, about to be down 2R. Back to 415, huh? Yeah, it's good at that. Three minutes left on this 15-minute candle. If it closed at 415, that would actually look really good. Come on, 2 minutes. Do something special.
Order filled.
Regrets. I'm not mad about my WHLR trade as far as my intraday entry. I do wish I did not watch it on the daily. And I knew I was going to feel like that. Lucy, however, shame, shame, shame. Shame, shame, shame. Shame. Yep. Shame, shame, shame. Shame, shame, shame. All my red days should be no trade days. No trade days. Like I'm convinced. Whenever I come in and I know there's nothing on the daily, and I pick stuff to watch anyway. This happens every time. Every time. That was just stupid. Like if I was gonna do that, I should have done this. You know. Nah, actually I am mad at WHLR. I just realized. Nah, even the entry though. Like this my line in the sand. I put it over that high right there. We broke the high, but we didn't hold it. We broke the high and just got slapped back down, and then I took it. Same thing with my thesis on Lucy, which was we got the higher high but I wanted the higher low to hold pre-market high. If that happened, that would have been a whole different trade, versus letting it break back below and then going back up to pre-market high to get rejected again. Yeah. Yeah, I mean I was looking at it, man. That was the one we were talking about. I just didn't like this candle with this volume, but it doesn't look like much volume at all now that you see the volume that came in afterwards. But yeah, this was actually a great, looked like a great spot. But yeah, all in all, it just wasn't a great day for my strat, and I didn't stand 10 toes down on it. That line in the sand though, like the low holding it, it means a lot. Do. Nah, bruh. Not if it's something I didn't do though. Like it's right here. It's literally in my notes. Look. Higher low. After the higher high, the higher low is the next level of confirmation. Higher low must hold above previous resistance to confirm a move higher. That's part of it. It did not do that. So that's why I'm calling it bad. Like literally, it did not do that. It traded back below. And same thing, like I said with my thesis on Lucy, this was technically my line in the sand. I liked it because of this spike right here, right? And you got these touches. So we got the higher high, but it just sold back below the resistance level. And we're not buying at resistance, we're buying at support, right? What gave me a good feeling? Well, the break of the high and the narrow range candle, but it just didn't happen the way I wanted it to. Like this is very bullish. And if it held that with this narrow range candle up here, that would have been very bullish, but it did not. So, but I was just wrapped up and didn't want to miss the no setup. Hmm. Hmm. It's all your fault. Oh, bringing Lucy back into my world over and over again. Nah, it ain't you, bro. I mean, this is a YouTube. channel. You know, it's a trading community. We all gonna be throwing tickers at each other all day. You know, that's part of the game. Ain't nothing wrong with that, bro. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I just gotta do better on my side. Now SRM looking real saucy, bro. But it's after 11. But yeah, this is nice on the 15. Look at that line in the sand. Yeah, that's what it is though, Knives. That's what it is. Damn, this is actually the time to take it because, like, now it's, although it's below, like, if the 5 came up and held that breakout level of 1083. Yeah. Yep, never again. I'm never taking this type of trade again until I actually have one that I've back tested and, you know, added to my playbook. But buying this extended, well, your average is way down here, like 318, ain't it, Dirk? Yeah, but fresh off the EMA is my play, man. That's just what it is. I almost got it on WHLR. It was like too close. It was so close that I just couldn't let it slide, but I needed to let it slide. I needed to let it slide. It needed to hold up above $9, honestly. It got slapped every time it tried, including after I got in it. So, all right. All right. I'm glad I didn't go up on my wrist today. I thought about it, but I was like, well, I just went up like 300 bucks yesterday. So if I have a bad day today, I don't want to completely erase yesterday. So good play there. I almost feel like I deserve to go back down to 50 after today's performance. But I see what I did. It's just, it sucks when there's nothing to watch. I gotta, the real no trade day, the real no trade day, or I guess the next level no trade day is deciding that it's a no trade day based on the scanners. Like, to know that nothing fits my watch criteria and to not even watch anything. That's hard. That's real hard. Because you know there's a chance. You know stuff's going to go. Like, SRM went right off the open, and, you know, this made a move, and Lucy made a move. You know, there were moves that were made, but it just wasn't meant for me, man. They weren't ideal setups that lead to lots of follow through and, you know, all of that good stuff. Lucy was the best thing probably, but it just didn't. It's still, I don't know. I could have called that an EMA reset. That's the high we needed to pass. Boom, boom. That would have been perfect actually. But yeah, I mean, but the daily, you know. But this is the line. This is the real line in the sand. Yeah, nah, the daily's trash, man. Yeah, there was just being a millionaire. uh, yeah, that's the next level, man. Yeah, that's the next level. Cause I knew it, bro. I knew it wasn't nothing this morning. Okay, so that's what we'll get from today. A good experience for sure. Just seeing what happens. I'm gonna actually watch back the stream and just watch myself FOMOing. Wanting to take a trade so badly. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Man, I just feel like losing 2 trades in a row is so absurd. Well, not losing 2 trades in a row, but taking 2 bad trades in a row. Like, come on, bro. But I didn't even, yeah, I couldn't even tell this was a bad trade yet. Leaning in over here on Lucy. Yeah, I see it, man. I see it cooking back up. And this is what I should have waited for, bro. Wait for the EM. It's gonna pull back to the EMA. That's why I'm not supposed to get in there until the EMA reset. But ah, mm 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 mm. Now it's 11's past my window. Can't even fix it. That's all right. It's all right. We'll fix it tomorrow, Monday. Yeah, MITQ. Hmm. It's pretty climactic volume up here. That's what I call ending volume. But it could definitely hold and bounce. These last 2 candles are looking pretty cool. You got this range over here to fight through, though. There goes SRM. Yeah, that 15 was beautiful on SRM. But not that beautiful. It's a pretty big pullback. Kind of would have to expect a lower high out of that thing. Man, Gerb just being cool. Well, ain't nothing left for me today, y'all. First loss of the week. Yeah. It's been actually a pretty super awesome week for me until today. Well, not super awesome since I got 2 no trade days. That was another thing. I was like, man, I can't have 3 no trade days in a week. I remember thinking that this morning when I was looking at these dailies, like, man, I gotta find something to trade. Mm-mm-mm. All right. Just gotta step the discernment up to the next level, man. Yeah, I know the HH, and that's what was required today. That's what was required. I was trying to get that red to green move today, but minus 86 on the month this morning, and now back to 286, minus 286. But we can wipe all of that away next week with some A plus trading. And it starts with the watch list. Literally all my red days, like watch. Let's go. Let's look. I bet you all my red days, the dailies are trash. Look at that. How do I get rid of that? Can I get rid of that? No. Okay. This is from my sim trading. I don't know why it shows up on my thing, but look at this one. Look at this daily. Right into resistance. Right there. Like no reason to be trading in this range. Terrible daily. Right, that's that red day. The third. Oh my lord. What happened here? Another trash daily. We just look at the range. I'm trading against all of this crap. Trash dailies. Same stock. RSLS. Same thing. Trash daily. Ain't even uptrending. Trash. Trash. Even though it went. This had to be my fault here. What happened? Oh, yeah. FOMO. Look, this is my setup right here, bro. Missed it. Missed it. Actually, I don't think I was supposed to trade this at all because that didn't set up till after 11. And here's the open. So, yeah, there was just no trade for me. There was no trade for me in there. Kids. Another one. Not only, look at this, day after a wide range green day for one. And just like, bro, all this trash in the daily. That's not the objective. For me, that's not my objective. When I'm looking for a setup, I'm looking for clear skies. That's enough of this day. Yeah, let's go through and mark out the high volume days. See where the ranges are, and you see what you got to battle against in order to get what you're looking for. And it just ain't there, man. It just ain't there. KWM. It's not bad daily at all. Bro, where was I here? Okay, there's just no setup for me there. Didn't wait for the higher high above the EMA. Yeah, so that was just my bad there. STSS, I already looked at that. MODV. Same situation. Wow. After this day, come on, fam. Come on, fam. Terrible dailies. And these are just days that I can't just like be like, nah, I'm not trading today. Like, who does that, bro? Who does that? And then we'll look at like my best trades of the month. Let's see here. APVO. Wow, I squeaked that one out. This was a trash daily. Well, there's no volume here. What's the volume? 5 million? Yeah, I probably just ignored that. 5 million. 3 million versus 124 million. Oh, that was the reverse split. Okay. Like, look at this daily right here on RBNE. Look at that. Freaking beautiful. This is A+. A plus. Look at that. Big gap, blue skies, nobody to fight with. And look how it trades. Beautiful. Opened up at 9:30, straight down to the EMA. Boom, bop, boop. Yeah, for sure. No, I'm not sad. I'm not sad, Dirk. I'm just this stuff is serious to me, man. You know, just a little mistake like that, like just letting something onto my daily chart, onto my watch chart that shouldn't be there. Look at this daily, bro. Who am I trading against? Okay, hold on. We got some noise back here. Let's map this out real quick. Nobody. Nobody. I know, right, HH? Nah, it ain't always resistance on the daily. I'm literally showing these charts, bro, that with no resistance on the daily. What do you mean? This guy here, 3 million shares. That's like nothing compared to, what's this, 6 million here. Yeah, all this price action below that level, that's nothing. Do got some stuff back here though. This was that oil day, huh? Yeah, that was, yeah, okay, yeah. KZIA, this is a reverse split too. Huge gap. But see, this is like when you got all kind of price action underwater. I sold right into that resistance too. That's good. We got out of there, didn't we? Oh no, here's my last little bit right there. But man, I love selling these tops. Make you feel good. This look like another reverse split. Man, is that the game? Am I a reverse split trader? All right, this was on a daily breakout. That was the only reason I felt okay trading that. That worked out really nice. Mr. Wolf. Huh. MCTR. Oh, this is the one I was devastated about selling too early, man. Good Lord. Devastated, man. uh, This would have been, this was a month maker right here, boy. Way up there. Yep. So yeah, man, just got to be way more picky on my daily setups. And it's just got to be a hard no, you know? It's just got to be a hard no. I wish I would have played this one though, man. Such a good level to play off of. It's just not in my bag though. It's not in my bag. Yeah. There's enough of my setups to make a living. Like I really don't need to like stress and be like, man, I need to add more setups or anything like that. Like there's enough. Like if most of my bad trades are trades that don't fall in, like yeah, there's definitely enough of my setups to make bands. Definitely. Like last month was freaking ridiculous. Like the setups were plentiful. The setups were plentiful. And you know, I don't have to have that many no trade days. But it's going to be a few of them. Like actually look, a couple times a week. You know? Right. 3K on 7 trades. Wow. Yeah, so I don't need a lot. I just need the best ones. One trade, man. One trade. Look at that, bro. Let's look at that one. What a day this was in the stream, right? Oh my God. Let's look at it on the one. Man, remember this candle right here? Oh man. I remember that one. Like, how am I still in this trade? That was crazy. I'm mad I missed this spike, but we still made out like a bandit. Like a bandit. Mm-mm-mm. Wow. Wow. Damn. April was rough. Did I trade all those other days? Oh my God. Okay, I didn't trade this week. I was about to say. So much red though. Good Lord. Wow. Man, bro. Like, what the heck? Bro, I'll be looking at these months like, how did I keep going? These little bitty $8, $9 green days really gave me hope to keep going. Oh my God. That's why my wife was like, you need to get a job, bro. It ain't happening. It ain't happening. I was like, get a job. Came out here in May swinging, boy. Mm-mm-mm. Man, get a job. Nah, jobs are great and necessary, so I'm not saying that, but I've been in the workforce since I was 14, bro. I'm over it.
But yeah, really good last 2 weeks, man. Really good last 2 weeks. Today sucked, but learned great lessons today. All my red days have been like very helpful. Very helpful, like every single one of them. And yeah, man, we gonna rock. We gonna rock. We gonna rock. I'm gonna be in the sim super tough this weekend the cool thing about the sim is that I also look at the daily and see if it's even worth trading. And I've been building that muscle of saying no. But when there's nothing, that's when it's hard, man. Like, cause my no trade day, I only had one stock on watch. Cause at least I had that one that I could look at and measure everything else against and say, if this is the one, all these other ones are trash. And so I just had that one and it didn't set up and I didn't trade it. But it's also hard when it goes. Like if you watch it and it just don't go and you're like, all right, no trade day. But if it goes and you just don't get a setup, like you don't get an entry and then you're watching it, oh man, SRM, bro. That's cool on the 5, but not the 15. I don't know. That's actually pretty saucy. That's pretty saucy. Um, yeah. So it's just when there's nothing to pick from, it's really hard to just be like, I'm not gonna watch anything. Well, that's why I like small caps, Uncle Paul, because it seems like there's always something. Like, like you're not gonna go. Well, I don't know. I haven't been trading the small cap market consistently very long, but with Catalyst, there's something that's coming out. Something. And if I'm taking profits, wait till you hit summer. It ain't summer now. I'm hot than a fool in here. Turn on the AC again. Yeah, I don't know. I may venture out to back to earnings plays on mid caps or something. But I definitely the catalyst is where it's at. That's what I feel like the most significant thing is actually trading things that are in play with good daily charts that have potential to run. So yeah, we'll see. This is definitely part of the fun of this challenge is that it's ever evolving. You know, and today's challenge will not necessarily be tomorrow's challenge. Yeah. Yeah, we'll definitely. I mean, if we get to that point, we're definitely gonna have to figure something out. You know, definitely gonna have to figure something out. Probably be scalping on the one. I feel like that's kind of the easiest direction to go if I was gonna add something. But yeah, I think we're fine though. I think we're fine for now. But yeah, man, just the dailies. Just got to be more picky. I will be more picky, and yeah, I hear you. I didn't even have GUR on my radar. I don't even. It wasn't even. Oh, I think did I change the limit price on my thing? Yeah, I don't know why this didn't pop up. I really like the daily on it, but it just really didn't give an entry, man. It did too much at the open. You'd have to get in right at pre-market high, which I mean, it's not a bad setup. It's not a bad setup. Hmm. Yeah, I got you. I'm gonna watch this trade back probably tomorrow, and the chat will be loaded up by then. So I'll check you out. Mhm. Yeah, I think the only exception for what I would consider a bad daily is a reverse split. And if it ain't got that, I can't watch it. Oh yeah, that's what's up, Microdon. It's a really solid setup. It's very simple. Like it's just like it's a foundational play. Like when stocks uptrend, they make a higher high and a higher low above support. That's just how it starts, you know. So that's what's up, man. Yeah, that call on Lucy was stupendous, bro. Excellent. I'm you know, if the daily wasn't cooked, if the daily wasn't cooked, man, I probably would have dove into that joint, but it really had everything going for it. It had the higher high, all of that good stuff, man. Yeah, nice call, bro. I'm glad you got to eat on that one. Yeah. Cooked, sauteed. Oh yeah, man, awesome, awesome. That's super cool, man. Yeah, the micro was great. It's just a beautiful range right here, man, from 324 to 427. Like laid out, man. Very nice. Cook chart, middle of May. Because I don't like trading against ranges, bro. Like, that's like SRM. You see this day right here? This day when I traded it, if you looked back, there was nothing. See, there's nothing. There's no range. There's no bag holders. There's no shorts that want to add to their positions or buyers who have been holding the bag since $3 that are waiting to or wait holding the bag since $10 and are waiting for it to get back there so they can sell. You know, there's none of that. It's just we, you know, we. Yeah, I mean the person who I learned from as far as looking at the dailies on these small caps, he just I mean it just I see it reacts to these high volume days. Like these high volume levels that are created, they're real, you know? Just like this was a really key level right here to trade above, you know, these are also key levels. And I just my odds of a move are better on stocks that don't have that. That doesn't mean that they won't move, that if they do have it. If there's enough volume, it'll move through anything. But I'm just always trying to put the best odds. Like if we're going to grade a daily, if we're going to grade a daily and this on this day right here, this is A plus, right? If I consider this daily right here, a blue sky daily, if I consider that A plus, then what grade must I give this? I'm not saying it's not good, but if this is great, if this is 10 out of 10, what is this? It's not A minus, that's for sure. You know, it's not a 9, you know. Especially this morning, where was it at? It opened below 3. Way down here, underneath even that level. You know, so it's like I don't know what it could do. But when this opened, there's nothing. Literally all you're trading against is pre-market. Bro, I've been trading those daily charts though. That's literally like I just went through them on my journal. We had these and then reverse splits. A gap over the close of what? Yesterday's close? Yeah, I mean, that's cool. Boom. That's all it is, Knives. Oh, you mad now, Dirk? um, yeah, I mean, the daily might not be important to y'all's strategy, and that's totally fine. Totally fine. But for what I'm trying to do here, when I lose on a trade and I pull up the daily and I don't see any resistance that I was running into, and I look at my little checklist here and all the boxes were checked before I took the entry and it just failed, then I'll just be like, damn, it didn't work. All right, on to the next one. There's nothing to learn from here except that sometimes it doesn't work. But if there's things to learn, then I'm gonna look. Like if the daily's trash, like, you know what? I could have totally passed up on this daily. Or you know what? It didn't actually hold the level that I was waiting for it to hold, but I bought it anyway. So let's not do that next time. You know, like, bro, even if there wasn't anything wrong, I'm gonna still try to find something that I can learn from it. You know? So that's just how it's gonna be, man. Hopefully that's the thing that makes me that Black Mamba trader that I'm trying to be. You know, that I'm always breaking everything down and trying to find what I could have done better. And that's why I will be in the sim this weekend, simming it up. Lucy's looking good. SRM's looking good. Kinda, not really. Yeah, this is what I was expecting for this 15. Like this is too big of a pullback. Lower high is more likely, but if it makes a higher low, then you know it's another story. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And it's not necessarily zero resistance, but I'm just basically I want to look at the volume below where the price is right now and the volume above where the price is right now. And if there's more volume traded below the price right now, then I feel better about battling, you know, the resistance overhead. But if there's more volume overhead over the price than below, then I don't want to fight that battle. You know? So, you know, if I got like 3 million shares of resistance at, you know, the level overhead, but you know, the last month we traded 200 million shares below the price, and I don't care about that 3 million shares up there. You know, I'll try to explain it one day. It actually makes a lot of sense. And the guy I learned it from, he used it to predict the range that a squeeze would squeeze, and he would set multiple targets that would often hit. Man, it was crazy. But it's just paying attention to the previous price action and being mindful of the resistances created because of them. That's all. Yeah.
All right, though. I got to get out of here. What time is it? 10:44. Yeah, I got to get out of here. Well, thanks for hanging out. Not the best day, but a lot of good lessons learned, I think. We'll come back next week ready. And we'll get it back. Get it back in blood. All right, man. Y'all have a great weekend. Thanks for hanging out. Like button, please. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. And I'll see y'all. Peace.